What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know much about this channel, I do videos related to digital marketing, blogging, SEO, online marketing, online business tips, tricks and tools. So if these are your areas of interest, you can go ahead and like this video and hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of my updates. As mentioned in the title, today I am going to show you how we can get someone's email address from their LinkedIn profile. So before starting this tutorial, I would like to share my own experience. Last year, I was into a digital agency mentorship from my mentor from UK. He taught me how to approach anybody by getting their email ID from their LinkedIn profile. Normally, I used to outreach them by asking them whether we can work together. So there was a company from UK which was willing to hire social media marketers, and they had posted it on a third-party website. As you guys know, on third-party websites there are 30 to 50 bids on every single project. So what I did is I tried to find out the CEO's email ID using his LinkedIn profile. So to do that, I used a software called Find That Lead. It was recommended by one of my colleagues. So I found his email and I told him that I saw that you are looking for a social media marketer. So what I directly told him is, this is my portfolio. If you think we can work together, these are the samples that I can do for you. So without going with the crowd, I did unique approach. And guess what, guys? I got that project. I pitched them $2,100 per month, and they settled at $2,000 every month. They are still a paying client every month, and this is how this particular tool helped me to get that email ID that literally got me a high paying client who is still paying me every month. So without any further delay, let's dig into my laptop.
So welcome back to my laptop screen, guys. This is the tool I was talking about. As you can see, this particular business owner is having a good time. He's not worried at all about the leads. So I really like this particular animation. And I love this tool. As you can see, Find That Lead is trusted by Deloitte, Salesforce, BMW, Zappos. They are all big giant companies. You that this is actually a Google Chrome extension which you can add to Chrome. Basically, I have added it to Chrome. Now, let me show you what they offer. They offer email verifier, email sender, prospector, and social search. So I will not waste much of time reviewing this video because this is not a review video. If you guys want a review video on Find That Lead, I can surely go ahead and do that. But in this video, I will show how I get email IDs from LinkedIn profiles. Okay. I already have a paid plan with Find That Lead. You can see over here right now I'm on LinkedIn dashboard. I will open up my Find That Lead tab over here. I will click on the Find That Lead icon. You can see over here that 1994 credits left. So basically, I have a plan that offers me around 2000 credits a month. So basically, it's a paid plan. Right now, I'm on LinkedIn dashboard. I will search for, let's say, CEO. I have been searching for CEOs because I send them proposals of digital marketing and social media marketing. So let's narrow down by location. I will add location as United States. As you can see, my keyword is CEO, and what I will do is I will choose a location to narrow down my search, which will be United States, and then I will click on apply. As you can see, the keyword is CEO, the location is United States, and on the first page we have Isaac Rundaski. As you guys know that Isaac is quite famous because of his Google AdWords course on Udemy and his agency called Adventure Media. So what I will do is I will try to find out Isaac's email ID so that I can send him an email because he's also mentioning over here that he is hiring so that I can mail him something like, hey, Isaac, I'm also into digital marketing. I do Facebook ads, Google ads, and all. So if there are any position or there are any contracts which you can outsource me, I would be happy to help. Okay. So as you guys can see, it is telling me to connect because he is not in my connections. Now let's find Isaac's email address. To find email address, you have to first open their profile. You have to completely open the profile of the prospect. You have to wait until it is 100% loaded. So now, no, it is not 100%. We have to wait a little. So once it is 100% loaded, what you will have to do is you will have to go to find that lead tab and click on find that lead icon. So now I will click on find that lead. It is searching for the fresh data. Uh, it is checking for the emails. Now it is retrieving the information. And boom, we have the email of Isaac Rundaski. We also have his phone number, which I'm never gonna share to you guys on this video because that will be a policy violation for me. I'm just telling you that you can literally see his Facebook link, his Twitter link, his Instagram link, and his telephone number, which I'm gonna blur. And and here is the email address that is also gonna be blurred in this particular video because he's a famous person. So I cannot really breach the privacy policies. So now I will do another search and let's find someone who is not that famous. Let's again go to the search tab and find CEO, then hit enter. Now let's change the location to, let's say, Australia. Okay, I click on apply. Now let's find the email of founder and CEO of Strategic Anachi. So Leela Kosgrove is the CEO of Strategic Anachi. Let's go ahead and find her email. So guys, you have to wait until their profile is completely loaded. Then what you have to do is you have to click on find that lead. It is searching for data. Now you can see we already have the information. This is the email of this particular person. So this is how I get email IDs from LinkedIn profile. This tool is a magic tool. Whenever you use it to find email IDs, they will deduct credit from here. As you can see right now, I have 1994 credits left. So this tool is really amazing. It works like a charm. It has helped me secure real clients that pay me every month. So I would seriously recommend this tool if you are into the B2B industry. And if you are really looking for a full review on this tool, you can just comment below. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped. And before saying goodbye, I would request all of you to like my videos, share them, and yes, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.